I'm Chris Canwell and welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about how to make a woman, any woman, want you sexually. This is the no BS guide to how to do this, because a lot of videos will promise the world and they won't deliver. I'm here to tell you that after you watch this video you will understand very clearly how to make any woman want you in a sexual way. And it's not how you think, right? So we get to the crux of the problem. The main problem is that as a man, you're walking around in the world and you see lots of women who you find attractive and you could sleep with them. You would have some sexual desire for them. Women operate in a very different way. They might look at a man and think, well, you know, this guy's handsome or he looks good, but they're not automatically thinking about sex. Their mind doesn't default to sex. They did a very interesting study a long time ago. I think it was on the University of Florida campus, and they had a bunch of women approaching men and asking, hey, do you want to go to bed with me tonight? And I think it was 75% of men said yes, and the other 25% either had a girlfriend, they were in a relationship, or they said, I can't make it tonight, how about tomorrow? Now you flip this around and they did the same exact study with women, where men approached women and asked them if they wanted to go to bed with them tonight. It didn't matter if the man was very attractive or unattractive. In all of these situations, 0% of women said they wanted to go to bed with a man that night, which means that a woman's mind is not defaulting to sex. So how do you get any woman to sexually desire you? Well, women have something called responsive desire. It's very different to male desire, which is immediate desire. This essentially means that you have to turn her attraction switch on. This is why I talk a lot about making a bold move, approaching women, being charming, trying to interact with the women to get a reaction, because in physics, every action has an equal reaction. The same is true in relationships and dating and attraction. If you want to get a reaction out of a woman, you have to take action to physically impact the world to get a reaction out of the woman. And you need to activate her responsive desire. This means that when you interact with a woman, she is now going to start to psychologically think about you. She's going to start to wonder about you. And if all of these three elements are in place, safety, a bit of mystery, a bit of playful tension, a bit of challenge, and emotional stability, very important for a man. If you have all of those elements in place, a woman will then start to respond to you. Now, most important of all of these elements is confidence. Being able to make a move and take yourself out of the friend zone. You might talk to a woman and interact with a woman, and I've made this mistake myself, where I've talked to women. You know, I used to do this. I would talk to them, but I wouldn't sexualize the interaction. I wouldn't flirt with them. I wouldn't try to make a move, and you end up very quickly slipping into the friend zone. If you're not touching a woman, remember I talk about this in my book, Atomic Attraction. If you touch a woman, intermittent touching, this increases your chances of going to bed with a woman by about 75%. You maintain eye contact, you have playful banter, you chat with her, you charm her, you kiss her when you get a chance. If you do all of these things, you're going to activate her responsive desire, which will make her think about you in a sexual way. And she's not thinking about other men. Women don't walk around thinking, I'm going to have sex with this guy and this guy and this guy and this guy. It doesn't work like that. Men are very bad at understanding theory of mind, and that is, how does another person think? Do they think like me? No, they don't think like you. They're a different gender. They have different goals, different dreams, a different psychological and biological makeup to you as a man. So this is why women operate in a different way. You just have to activate their responsive desire. I talk about this in great detail in my book, Atomic Attraction. You can pick up your copy today by clicking on the link below. It's based on over 120 scientific studies. I think you guys will love it. And don't forget, I do phone and email consultations. You can book a consultation with me on my website, develofattraction.com.